ROI Analytics Dashboard provides key business metrics in a web-based utility rich with critical measurements of your print strategy or MPS plan. On current statistics, we can see total cost, toner cost, color printer cost, black and white page cost, overall page cost, average color page cost, average black and white cost, and average user cost. Below this, we can see the information extrapolated over 1 year and 3 years. Next to this, we can see the number of pages that were printed in this period, how many of those were color versus black and white, how many jobs were printed, number of color jobs versus black and white jobs, number of printers, network printers versus local printers, number of applications used, number of drivers, number of days this data was run for, number of workstations, and number of users. Here we can see jobs by size. Mouse over to see more details. Jobs by type or jobs by application. Underneath this, we can see the top 10 applications used for this period. We can also see jobs by printer type. Below this, we can compare daily stats. Here we see volume over period of time. Jobs. Cost of those jobs, color versus black and white, how much network traffic was there over this period. Printers by class and volume, who ignored the ROI rules, how much volume was blocked, and how many jobs were blocked. The next page of the dashboard is Top Users and Printers. Right at your fingertips, you can see your high-volume print users, the most expensive users, the most expensive print devices, and the least used print devices. We can view this information by number of rows, and we can also view this information by department. To the side, we see top users by volume. Mousing over for more detail. The most expensive users and the most expensive print devices. The next page of the dashboard is the rules. See how people are reacting to the print strategy. Are they accepting the ROI rules? Who received the pop-up messages? How many times? Who either accepted or ignored the advice? Select this information by the number of users or by department. To the side, we can see jobs blocked versus jobs printed, pages blocked versus pages printed, users who accepted the advice versus users who ignored. The next page of the ROI dashboard is Users. See who uses which printers, volumes, and costs. View this information by number of users or by department. Graphs to the side display users versus printers. Mousing over for more detail. Users versus volume, and users versus jobs. The next page of the ROI dashboard is Printers. Here we can see each print device, color versus black and white volume, and their total cost. View this information by number of printers, or view this information by department. Graphs to the side display this information by class, local printers versus network printers versus multifunctional devices. Here we can see the volume from those three classes, and here is the cost of those three classes of printers. The last page of the dashboard is Projections. Here you see the current state and the current costs. Change the percentages to move the volume to a more efficient device. The ROI dashboard displays the new volumes and the new costs. Here we see total savings, savings over 1 year, and savings over 3 years. View this information by department. Graphs to the side display this as current volume by class, current volume by costs, and projected savings by class. ROI Analytics Dashboard provides key business metrics right at your fingertips, rich with critical measurements for your print strategy or MPS plan.